Turning on your alarm for 5:20 a.m. Setting the temperature for 69 degrees. Tomorrow you have a mandatory staff meeting. Should I turn off the lights now?
No.
All right, just let me know when.
Alright, go ahead. Along with iOS 12, Apple's released an app called Shortcuts, and while some have already been taking advantage of this incredibly useful app, I found that many have yet to download it. If you've ever heard of the Workflow app, then you have a good understanding already of what this new Shortcuts app can do. Apple bought the Workflow app back in March of 2017, and just now we're finally starting to see what they're doing with it. Hey guys, it's Tech Infusion, and let me tell you why you should start using Shortcuts. With the addition of Shortcuts, Siri has finally been given a fighting chance against Google Assistant and Alexa. If you want to get started in Shortcuts, you'll first need to head over to the App Store and download it. Now when you first open the app, it may be a bit confusing to you about where to go and what to do, but don't worry, it's actually pretty simple once you understand what's going on. The first thing you'll see is your library. This is where you can see all of your created shortcuts or the ones you've added from the gallery. So if you are confused about what Shortcuts is, it's basically a new software feature that allows you to link multiple actions together through automation that you can trigger using Siri or the app. Let's break it down. Let's say every day when you leave work, you get in the car, text your wife that you're on your way home, open Apple Music, start your favorite playlist, then search on Maps to find how long the drive will be with current traffic. Essentially, you could put all of these actions in one shortcut, so all you have to do is say, "Hey Siri, I'm heading home." So to help you get a better understanding of shortcuts, we're going to go ahead and build a shortcut just for that. From your library page, just hit Create Shortcut. You'll then be greeted with many various options that you can link to this shortcut. Scroll down and tap on Send Message. You'll now have this little window in front of you that allows you to send an automated text to anyone. So we'll want to go ahead and enter something here. You can also tell it whether or not you want to see the action as it's happening. Alright, cool. So now you've set up your automatic text. Good job. Now let's add some music. In that same list, locate the Get Playlist shortcut and choose that. You'll now be able to pick a playlist that will begin playing when you run this shortcut. About now, you're probably starting to get the hang of it. If not, it's okay, you'll catch on soon. With these new shortcuts, you can really go in depth, or you can just create more simple automations. To see even more actions, press on the search bar and you'll see a whole list of categories and apps that supports shortcuts. Let's add a Maps action to our shortcut. I'm going to choose the Maps category and enter an address so that I can get an ETA. For this, I'll use the street address and get travel time action. The street address will specify where we're trying to go, which in this case would be home, and then the travel time will look at that address and give us a time. Once you're done building your new shortcut, it's time to give it a name and add a Siri phrase. Tap on the top right icon in the app and you'll see all of the information that you can edit and change. When adding a Siri shortcut, you can say any custom phrase to trigger that shortcut. And that's how you create one for yourself. But if you don't want to spend all this time creating your own shortcuts, there's an entire pre-made library of shortcuts from Apple right under the Gallery tab. These are fairly limited, however, I was able to find some helpful shortcuts there. If you're looking for even more in-depth shortcuts, there are plenty that you can find on the Shortcuts subreddit. A user even created a shortcut for getting pulled over by the police. So as you can see, the possibilities are really limitless. Also, app developers are adding Siri shortcuts to their apps, so it's only a matter of time before your favorite app can be controlled straight from Siri. All of the shortcuts you add and create will be located on your widget screen if you enable the shortcut widget. You'll also be able to activate them using the Siri phrase that you assigned. I'm really excited about where this new Shortcuts app is headed and its deeper integration with third-party companies than we've ever seen before in iOS. I feel like it's a first stepping stone to Apple opening up their operating system a little more. As I said earlier, you can really get in depth with this, so if you're into scripting, you'll have a blast with making these shortcuts. Anyways guys, that's all for this video. I hope that this helped you get a better understanding of shortcuts. Do you know someone that isn't using this new app? If so, you should definitely share this video with them. As always guys, if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful in any way, please remember to leave a like and don't forget to comment and subscribe. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and until next time guys, peace out.